Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of registering for a Remitly money transfer account. Following these step-by-step instructions will ensure you can quickly and easily set up your account. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Remitly website or download the app. Begin by visiting the Remitly website at www.remitly.com or downloading the Remitly app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on Get Started. On the homepage, you'll see a prominent button labeled Get Started. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. Step 3. Enter your information. You'll be prompted to enter your basic information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to input accurate information, as this will be used for account verification. Step 4. Create a password. Next, you'll need to create a strong password for your account. Ensure that it meets Remitly's security requirements for a safe and secure account. Step 5. Agree to the terms and conditions. Before proceeding, read through Remitly's terms and conditions. Once you're familiar with them, check the box to agree and move forward. Step 6. Verify your email and phone number. Remitly will send you a verification email and a text message with a code. Check your email inbox and phone for these messages. Click on the link in the email and enter the code from the text message to verify your identity. Step 7. Provide additional information. After your account is verified, you will need to provide additional information. This includes your address, date of birth, and information about your identity for compliance purposes. Step 8. Choose your payment method. Next, you'll need to link a payment method. You can choose from options such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card, depending on your preference. Step 9. Complete your registration. Once you've filled in all required fields and linked a payment method, review your information for accuracy. Then, click on the Complete Registration button to finalize your account setup. Step 10. Start sending money. Congratulations! Your Remitly account is now set up. You can start sending money internationally by following the prompts to initiate your transaction. Thank you for watching this quick guide on how to register for a Remitly money transfer account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more great content.